In this video tutorial, we will be reducing AutoCAD template to a letter size paper, which is 11 inches by 8.5 inches. Open AutoCAD and click New in the Quick Access toolbar. Open Sheet Sets and select Manufacturing Imperial. Imperial measurements are in inches, feet, miles, and yards. Using the plot command, we will determine the size of the paper, which is currently 17 inches by 22 inches. Let's reduce the size of this template. In the printer name, change it to General Documentation. In the paper size, change it to Full Bleed, 8.5 inches by 11 inches. Click Apply to Layout, then Cancel. The new settings will be now applied. Let's zoom out and do a bit of computation. Dividing 8.5 plus 11 to 17 plus 22, we will get 0.5. Let's use the Scale command to reduce the template. Type SC, then Enter. Select the template, then Enter. Type 0,0 for the base point, then input 0.5 for the scale factor. To center the template, let's use the Move command. First, we will measure the length of the border lines and subtract it from the length and width of the paper. We get 10.5 for the length and 8 for the height. Subtracting the paper length and height, 11 minus 10.5 is 0.5. 8.5 minus 8 is 0.5. To center the template, we will divide these results into 2. 0.5 divided by 2 is 0.25 for both length and height. Type letter M, Enter. Select the template, then Enter. Type 0,0 for the base point. For the second point, we will input the result of our computation. Type 0.25, 0.25. You can now add a viewport. Hover over to Layout and select Polygonal. Then, select the corners in the template where you want to put your drawing. Then Enter. Click Paper in the status bar to see if it's placed in the template. I will draw a circle in the model. I will set the limits the same as the paper size, 11 by 8.5. Enable Grid View in the status bar, then Zoom All. To have a visual representation of the size of the limits, uncheck Display Grid Beyond Limits in the drafting settings. I will place the circle in the middle, which is 5.5, 4.25. I will set the diameter to 5. Let's check it in the paper space. To center the drawing, use Zoom All. Set the scale to 1 is to 1. Switch to paper. I will add a dimension to the circle. I will add a name and sheet name using the Enhance Attribute Editor.